see Jiggy, push the V Twiggy, large like Free Willy, be broke, don't be silly. Use a low life, no hoes, no ice. Don't be mad at me, cause I chose your wife.
It has been a good month so far, as you can see. That's why now we're about to head to the grocery store to get them some steaks. Boys, we ended up grabbing this Red Bull and like 2 steaks. I already have eggs at home, and all of this was like $5, bro. And boys, go follow me on IG as well, because I'll be showing you the plates that I'll be cooking, and man, I'll be cooking them like I cook the sharks. But yeah, right now, let's head home, drop these off, and head to the gym.
Cash, I got plenty, microphones, rock mini, everything I touch is in the top 20. Dumb hits, I'm the one chicks be hawking a lot. Stay driving, so I don't be walking a lot. In the chains and diamond rings that I be flossing is hot. Plus expensive, meaning it be costing a lot.
As you can see, 25 is the max.
I'm the one cuzzo, never slave with a bum hole. If a chick lips is jumbo, I want some gumbo. If nigga mouth is where my gun.
Lightweight, baby. Alright, workout completed. I've literally been to this pool like twice or 3 times, and isn't that big of a deal. Honestly, it's one of the worst pools I've been to. For the last year or so, I've been always living either next to the beach or with a pool in the apartment or house, you know. Right now it is currently London session. New York will be playing in a bit. Right, we were living in Asia, so you know that's during the night, that's during the evening. And last week was simply amazing. We had 3 wins on NASDAQ, 100% win rate, over 10R, you know, multiple funded accounts. And now this week, we're paying the price. We're paying the price. We already on 3 losses, I think. We even lose more times than we win. But with awards comes into play, and it makes us profitable, right? Some people don't realize that having a 40% win rate doesn't actually mean that you're unprofitable. It's always the arrogant losers thinking that way. Go check the breakdowns if you haven't. I break down every single trade I'm taking on live, and also realize that this is just me paying the price, right? You cannot just expect winning streaks to come and the losing streaks will never come back. Like, don't think that you've made it. For some reason, you're never gonna see losses again, okay? They will come back in, right? You're always gonna have winning streaks and you always gotta have losing streaks. You just gotta keep going and accept the losses. You can't even accept the losses right now. You put on a trade wanting it to be a winner, and it has to be a winner and it has to pass because I need it. So you can't even accept the losses, so the market won't even give you the winners. Realize that, start accepting that you don't have a 100% win rate, and actually think like that way, and the wins will start to compound, bro. What we're working with, got the desk right here. Like I said, taking some supplements now, vitamin D, good for focus, magnesium, omega-3, you know, get a balcony. Just recorded a video for you guys. It's 8:30 p.m. CPI is about to drop. EU ain't looking like much. GU, there could maybe be a position. Oh my god. Okay, I was about to say there could be some longs if we sip this, and as you can see, setup accelerators, you know, but it had already picked up enough liquidity from this. Sweep off this once, twice, but I gotta keep in mind of the session, so double sweep within this. And this is something we missed out on the other day. We made efficiency here and price kind of played around, but as soon as we made the breaker structure below, it's London close, and you can expect a retracement of all of this action. Alright, the eggs do not look pleasing at all, but that's because we're using the same sauce as the steaks. We got some sauces there. Not bad, not bad, not bad. So I'm gonna destroy this, watch over the charts, and in 40 minutes or so, the market on futures is opening. As you can see on futures, I've been calling this high for the longest, saying that we're still bullish. Right now we swept those highs with the strength of the news. If you haven't watched my how to trade high impact news video, I tell you how to predict these moves, because it's pretty simple. Like, the price action was here, the most amount of liquidity lies here. So where do you think price is going? It goes to the liquidity. News are just setup accelerators. It would go there either way. And so because of that, because we just swept a major liquidity, and if you ask yourself if I'm looking for shorts, yes, but not yet. All right? Because everyone will be seeing this. Everyone will see this sweep. Everyone will see this reaction. But what I'm looking for, once you're trading futures, is you want to see a liquidity sweep once the market opens. This is a perfect setup if I'm trading Forex, for example. One sweep of the liquidity, market opens here, second sweep, making this a smart money trap, and then we have the move door and this becoming a smart money trap as well. And guess what? Just went on my private Discord. Students sending analysis like this, right? Same thing, going bullish for the liquidity. And this motherfucker right here, this guy's fucking crazy. But yeah, I also teach on how to trade high-back news on a more advanced level over the mentorship. Boom, what did I told you? And it was here for the boys. Right now it's all a matter of finding an entry, right? We can have this right here as conservative, but the best case scenario is if it does a second sweep, just so I can use this little low right here to position myself on the stop order. Okay people, we're already on this NQ, and ES might just be tagging us in. Get the fuck out of here. Man, why does the internet become slow in this moments, bruh? Fucking hell, they watching me, right? Who fucking watching me, man? Yes, as you can see, would have been in this small little wick. Bro, what the fuck? Yo, motherfuckers, bro. We're positioning ourselves on the front of the account and on the challenge. But, ooh, okay. These could easily be done, bro. And then this overall trap as well, but there might be a reaction from it, you know. CNQ, motherfucker, bro, motherfucker, because we're in this as well. And today, boys, we're about to do one of those Friday night Asia trader kind of thing. The thing I mean is, it's Friday night, people are going out, you're in Asia, so market plays at night, so you place a trade and whatever profit you make, you gotta spend it on the night. No, I'm just kidding, but like, I would die at that moment. But yeah, you can place a trade, and if it's a TP, then you can go celebrate. But I don't know if we're gonna have fun tonight. This is some bullshit, bro. This is some bullshit. Look at this and look at the S, bro. It's supposed to be the same ass chart. Some bullshit, man. We took that on the funded as well, as you can see. But yeah, we're only like 600 down, minus 1% on it. Not much, but fuck, bro. Right at the moment where I want to place 2 trades, this ES is some bullshit. Right? Not the same chart. And then, motherfucker, bro. Motherfucker. But yo, we some motherfuckers. We still gonna go out, so. Alright, boys. Yeah, Havana here. And the trade is looking horrible. Another stop loss. And like I've said, you gotta pay the price, man. 4 losses deep, you gotta pay the price. We got some Disaronno, we got some cigars. Alright, boys. We out here playing pool. You're in the pyramid channel. Yes, my boy. Let them know what you do. What do I do? I'm a professional G. What would you do?
A little bit of Forex, a little bit of crypto.
What's your trade?
Trades, everything.
The type of trading, the type of strategy.
Swing trading, liquidity.
Exactly. That's how you know he's profitable, bro. Alright, boys. Sun is shining. Back at the apartment. At the end of the day, we went to 2 stop losses, but like, who gives a shit, man? I just want to go to sleep. So, leave a like, motherfucker.